Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to post on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus button in the center. This opens the camera where you can create your video. You can record right away by holding the red record button. If you prefer to upload a video you already have, tap the create button on the right. Select the video or photos you want to use and tap next. Once your video is recorded or uploaded, you can edit it. Use the tools to add text, filters, or effects. You can also add sounds by tapping the music note at the top. When you are happy with the video, tap next. On this screen, you can write a caption, add hashtags, and tag friends. You can also adjust who can see the post. Choose between public, friends, or private. When everything is ready, tap Post at the bottom right. Your video will upload and appear on your profile. That is how you post on TikTok. Thanks for watching.